Good morning, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all real quick my breakfast haul for work. I have the Nature Valley protein granola oats and honey. I bought a container of honeydew. That should last me about 2 days. And then I bought some light and fit Greek yogurt by Dannon, the strawberry cheesecake. If you hadn't tried that, try it. It is really good. And then I bought some boiled eggs, 6. So the yogurt will last the whole week. The eggs will last the whole week. And then the granola will last for a while, a couple weeks. But this is what I got today. Today is Monday. And all of this is going to go in my refrigerator. Down here. I do need to get some more drinks, because y'all know it's been hot. So get girl up and drinking up her water. I got 1 yogurt left from last week. 1 bottle of water. Still got my pickles, my little condiments down there. Still got some carrots and a few tomatoes left. So definitely need to get some more drinks. But this is what I got today, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later.